the 3 a.m. news with Luzette
and Fred Jewell, and we're here to give you this nation's news.
Now in the news today, I have just gotten some disturbing reports about celebrity and icon Kim Kardashian, who is found dead, killed by a herd of rabid squirrels. And as for her family, well, no one really cares about her family, so on to the next news report. Please, Fred Jewell.
And in the news today, Guam has been eliminated as one of the 50 states of the United States.
Fred Jewell, I do not believe that Guam originally was a state in the United States of America.
And here's to Rufus Lou with the weather.
Thanks, Lizette. My name is Rufus Lou, and I'm here to tell you about the forecast across the country, across our nation. So, we're seeing the effects of spring, finally, at last. Here they have come. We're seeing some 70s down in the south, stretching up to around the 50s. In the Midwest, we're still seeing some 30s, stretching to the 40s, but towards the end of April, as beginning to warm up. In the north, we're seeing some fairly heavy fog in the northwest area, stretching to some snow up in the very northern parts of the country, to a rainstorm that you will be experiencing very soon, or maybe you've already seen it, with some lightning. And yes.
Thank you, Rufus Lou, for that dazzling weather report of our nation's temperatures.
His smile is so bright, it's enchanting, really.
I don't know. Anyway, on to our next weather report, part 2, with the wonderful, beloved Belinda Jean. Thank you, Fred Jewell. Belinda Jean here with your 5-day weather forecast for Irvington, New York. Now, today being the 17th of April, Sunday, we are unfortunately going to be seeing some gusts of wind coming into the Westchester, Irvington area, with a high of 59 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 44. Now, as for tomorrow, Monday, we thankfully will be seeing some sun in the AM hours, but as we progress into the PM, we will be going to seeing some clouds and rain PM. And our high for that day will be 60 degrees, so break out the shorts if you like, if you wish. And 47 will be our low. Now, for Tuesday, this is the not-so-good news, folks. We are going to be having some showers. So, if you like, grab your family, drink some hot cocoa, tell some stories, listen to the radio, whatever it is you like to do inside, but putting it together. And our high for that day will be 53, so jeans, leather, corduroys. And low is 46. Now, towards the latter end of the week, the middle, if you will, it will be some isolated T-storms. That means thunder. So we're going to be having some sun, but bam! Then we will see some rain and lightning and thunder. And our high will be 63, and our low is 51. Now, finally, the end of my 5-day forecast is the beautiful day of the week. It will be mostly sunny, so happy there, and just a little bit cloudy over there. And our high will be 59 degrees. Look at all this 59, little trend I'm sensing. And 42 as our low. This is Belinda Jean and
Rufus Lou.
And we are here to tell you about the fronts that are coming in, and as well as the air masses that we'll be seeing in the next few days. So right now on the western coast, we're seeing a little bit of a cold front coming in, and that's already well past, and some low pressure areas that are coming over here. And we are also seeing some continental and maritime polar over, up here. And then down in the, Hawaii region, down over here, we are seeing some low pressure areas that are going to bring us some maritime tropical, which means there's, bam, a jet stream coming across the country from west to east. Coming over, you see that? And now, as we move a little bit down, we are seeing some high pressure areas in the Texas region, over there too. And that is going to bring us some maritime polar, which means that, it's coming in from the ocean, but as you can see, the temperatures will be dropping. And down in the Florida area, we are also seeing the same thing, high. But there is a cold front that is just about past us, and it's just going, blown over on the coast. Then we, in the, New York region, we are seeing a little bit actually of a warm front, so there's, something to look forward to, and some low pressure areas, which means we are seeing some maritime tropical, which is bringing some, warm and moist weather for us, some nice air coming in there, and it's coming in from the ocean. And finally, the sad news that I, left for last is we are seeing an occluded front. Ooh, yeah, that's not good. Over there, occluded, which means in the northeast region, and that is bringing some storms, some bad, severe weather coming for us, as Rufus Lou told you earlier about the rain in the northeast. But other than that, in the Midwest, we're seeing a little bit of a stationary front, so with some low pressure areas, some low. And that is going to bring us some more, continental tropical, and as well as continental polar, because we are in the middle of this country. And yeah, so we're going to have a little bit of a mix there. But, that's about it. Back to you.
Breaking news. Janet Morabito has been excommunicated from the United States of America. For reasons unknown.
Anyway, to take you to a happier place, we are going to bring you two of our top weather forecasters, Rufus Lou and Belinda Jean, out on the streets of Irvington. To you, Rufus Lou and Belinda Jean. I'm here with Irvington elite Rip Van Winkle, asking him how he feels about today's weather. What do you have to say, Rip?
It sucks.
Today's a good day for swinging in your hammock.
Excuse me, ma'am. How do you feel about today? Today's a great day to eat ice cream by yourself. Well, it's Rufus Lou again here with some townsfolk from Irvington. How do you feel about the weather today?
It's nice out. Enjoying the weather.
How about you?
It's pretty sunny.
How do you guys feel about the weather today?
And lovely it is outside. Thank you, Rufus Lou and Belinda Jean.
Thank you for tuning in, everybody, to the 3 a.m. Nightly News. We hope to hear from you soon. If you have any questions, concerns, or just comments you want to tell us about how lovely we are, just email them to 3amnews@3amnews.com.
.com.
Good day.
Good day.